So since my dad's been here helping me take care of the dogs, I thought I would take advantage of a little free babysitting and use this for a girls' day. So I'm gonna go pick up Tamara and Shelby, and we are gonna head into Yellowstone National Park. We're called The Wild, and we operate a dog sled tour company in Jackson Hole, Wyoming during the winter. But in the summer, we move all of our dogs and ourselves to our off-grid homestead in the mountains. What started as 2 kids just trying to build a cabin with some dogs has turned into a lifestyle, and we're learning as we go. So whether you're sitting in an office, dreaming of the mountains, or you've been living this lifestyle for years, we'd love to have you follow along. And maybe you'll find a little wild in yourself too. You're not gonna have cell service when you're in the park, so plan ahead. I'm trying to meet friends at 2 different spots. One is already running behind, so I've had to do this before. Coordinating once you get into Yellowstone is not realistic. You do not have cell service. You're not going to find each other. So make sure that you have a plan ahead of time. One way you can beat some of the crowds, so if you're going in the south entrance like I am, don't spend time in Grand Teton National Park. I've already passed like 4 different bear jams along the way. People are crowded, traffic is weird around them. If you just blaze straight through Grand Teton National Park and get to Yellowstone ahead of those people, you're gonna miss a little bit of the traffic. It's not gonna make a huge difference, but you're gonna have a lot more time to spend in the park because Yellowstone takes a lot more time than you think it does. I just picked up Shelby and now we are going to try and figure something out, but we don't really have a plan, which is tip number 2. You should have a plan before you go into the park. But we're locals, so we don't need a plan. Also, I forgot my bear spray, so I had to go buy that like a tourist. Check. So with our
$4 coffees.
Yeah, seriously, we just paid $4. Well, no, it was like $6 total for these stupid coffees because I have a problem. But now we're gonna head to the Fairy Falls trailhead and try to go on a hike.
Take 20 minutes to park.
So if you're wondering what you'll actually be spending your time doing when you come to Yellowstone, finding parking will be your entire day. Take 2, the last one was on photo. We're at the Fairy Falls trailhead. We're going to see Grand Prismatic from the upper viewing platform. If you are coming here and you want to get the best view of Grand Prismatic, this is the hike you're gonna wanna go on. But as you can see, it's very busy, so you are gonna spend some time finding parking.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't.
So one pretty cool thing about taking this Fairy Falls trailhead hike is that you get views with much less people. If you're doing just the boardwalk of Grand Prismatic, you are going to be fighting crowds the whole way.
Enemy screamed out loud because it felt impossible place with pins.
You guys in it? All right, we're heading to the brink of the lower falls.
I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
600 feet down seemed a lot better than 600 feet up. 1 whole minute of Shelby County tree race.
It's kind of sketchy in there. We'll say about 90.
I believe you.
Yeah.
From our tree expert Shelby today. We made it. You guys think it was worth it?
Definitely.
Me too.